Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we'll see how we can create order ID in Razorpay. Okay, for example, see if you are doing any payment gateway and all in your application. Okay, so their order ID must and should be there, guys, because it is to track the payments. You can say, guys, means for each payment there is an order ID. So according to that, we will get the uh, how I can say, like, suppose for example, if you have any order ID and if you have paid amount but that is not reached to your customer and all, or your client and all, that time you can show that order ID. See, this is my order ID and I have paid the amount and all. So according to that, he will check in his dashboard or in his database whether the payment is got or not. Okay, so for that, order ID is very important, guys. Okay, so if you're doing any payment gateway integration in your applications, then this should be there, guys. That is already if you're using API keys and all, and if you're integrating, that time I'm telling, guys. Okay, fine. You can see, guys, here what I have done. This is a controller. Okay, this is a controller and it is in Laravel. I'm telling, it is in Laravel, guys. So if you know about Laravel, then you will get, guys, easily what is controller, what is model, and what is web and all. Okay, that is roots and all, web.php and all. Okay, so the thing is what, guys, if you don't know about Laravel, you can watch in YouTube also. You will get, guys, Laravel tutorial, and you will get that tutorial in my channel also, where you need to go in my channel, that is playlist, and from there you will get Laravel tutorial playlist is name, something like that name is there, as you can see that. Okay, see, guys, here what I am doing, this is my master book pay model. It is one my model. Then this is we need to use, guys, Razorpay API key. Means this is, we can say, one library which is needed for Razorpay and all. Okay, so here is my function, that is new API key. Here I'm taking Razorpay key and Razorpay secret key, which is in my env file. Here in my .env file, there I have taken, guys, key and secret. So same key and secret I'm taking here as well. Means by using only env Razorpay, means it will cache that directly. Okay, next here is what, order data. By using this data, we are creating our order ID. Okay, where we are taking receipt, then amount we are taking, and here amount it is in INR. Okay, so after that, what we are doing is this or data I'm taking, and we are creating here one order ID. Okay, so here we'll get order ID. In that ID we are storing in order one, and which is we are sending that as a JSON response. We are returning that, guys. Okay, you can see, guys, here we'll get a order ID. Okay, so this we need to test in our Postman whether my API is working or not. So this is one API, we can say, which we have created in Laravel. And you can see, guys, here I can show you the route also. Okay, so here you can see, guys, this is my order ID route, and this is my function, which is here order ID function. Okay, fine. This is my route, so I will go in Postman, and you can see, guys, here is my route, and here is my receipt, and here is my amount. Okay, it will take automatically, guys, receipt while doing payment and all. So now what I will do, just the method is post. Here my local server is on. Here it is my local server, everything is correct. Here I have given space, I have to remove that. Then now I'll try this. So I will get one order ID, which I will store in database. So this is just how to create a order ID. Okay, that we can store in database, and according to that we can track the payments. It will take some time, guys. Okay, the time is exceeded. First time it will happen, later it will be correct only. See guys, here is already we got already, and this is the already. Okay, so like this you can create already in Razorpay and using Laravel framework. Okay, I hope guys you got how we can create already in our applications. If you have any question queries, then guys please comment in comment box. And if you are liking my videos guys, then like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys, keep supporting guys.